In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to download and install Fortnite on your Mac using GeForce Now. Let's dive in. GeForce Now is a cloud gaming service, which lets you stream Fortnite on your Mac. What's great about GeForce Now is that it has a free tier, so you can play without spending any money. You'll find the link to the website in the description below. First, open your favorite browser. I am using Brave. Head over to the GeForce Now website, geforcenow.com, and click Join Now at the top. You'll see several membership options. Select the free tier, which allows 1-hour sessions. You can restart your session as many times as you need. Click Join Free. Then create an NVIDIA GeForce account. After that, complete your profile with the necessary information like your username, birthday date, and password. Next, solve the CAPTCHA to verify you're not a robot and click Create Account. After submitting, review and adjust the following settings. Yes, show me games, rewards, and other content I might enjoy based on my configuration, games, and app usage. Check this box if you want personalized content suggestions. Yes, I'd like to help fix bugs by sharing my error logs for GeForce Now. Check this box if you want to contribute to bug fixing. Yes, send me gaming and entertainment deals, announcements, and more from NVIDIA. Check this box if you want to receive promotional emails. Once you've finished, click Submit. After that, click Continue, and then Play Now. Now, you need to log in. Click on Get In and log in with your credentials. After login, return to the homepage geforcenow.com and click Download at the top. The website will detect your system automatically. Click Download for Mac and save the installer to a location like your Downloads folder. The download may take a few moments, so just wait. Now that GeForce Now is downloaded, install it. Open the installer and drag the GeForce Now icon on the left into the Applications folder. After a few seconds, it will be installed. Once installed, close the installer. You can then delete the installer and eject it from your system. Open the NVIDIA GeForce Now app from your Applications folder. Since this is a newly downloaded app, you might see a prompt asking if you're sure you want to open it. Click Open to proceed. Next, click Get In. This will redirect you to your web browser. Log in using your GeForce account credentials. Once logged in, close the pop-up and return to the app. Now, you'll need to link your Epic Games account to GeForce Now. Click the Settings icon in the top left corner and select Settings. Under the Connected Accounts section, click Connect next to Epic Games. This will open the Epic Games website. Log in or create an account, then click Allow to give GeForce Now permission to access your Epic account. With everything connected, return to the GeForce Now dashboard. Use the search bar to find Fortnite, select it, and click Mark as Owned. Once that's done, hit the play button. GeForce Now will perform a quick network check and place you in a queue. Once it's your turn, Fortnite will launch, and you're ready to jump into the action. That's it. You're now set to enjoy Fortnite on your Mac. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Got any questions or feedback? Drop them in the comments.